Apple juice. You! In the saucepan, you gombas.
You're the gum.
Oh, it's okay.
Hey, no.
Very funny, both of you. Huh? Look at me. I have birthed the sauce. I'm so bloody happy that you're here.
Yes, I came a little early too. Hell.
I'm dying, man. I'm dying.
Auntie, you didn't put this in by any chance, did you?
Yes, because blueberry syrup, no, I wanted to think out of the petty a bit, the box sector. And not do the cranberry.
This is not blueberry.
Huh?
This is dishwash liquid.
What? Ooh, holy the moly. High five. I can't believe I was going to do that, man. But don't worry, I have got the chicken from the Kiehl's, beautiful roast chicken. I've got cookies, eggnog, and the the cake. It's delicious. Look at it, man. Because we can't do the turkey these days, no.
Yeah.
You know why? Because it's just us, no, in the bubble. There is you. There's lovely darling, oh cutie Petty Bertha, Glenda, who's a bit of a pain, and then, of course, not a boy. Ah! Yeah, just run for it. Go, and I'll find you later.
You okay?
The elf on the shelf is watching him.
Elf on the shelf.
Elf on the shelf. Okay then.
Okay.
What's next?
Well, anyway, don't worry. You need help with the sauce, no?
Oh, how exciting! What have you got in there?
People get that excited usually when I open my bag, but okay.
Oh, you're being a bit naughty now that Dotta has gone.
Oh.
Oh my God!
Thank you so much for the ham you sent me. I turned it into a ham salad.
Annie, darling,
It's
that
for
was
you.
also from Kiehl's.
Ah,
I got
super.
it all from there. Look
It
at
was
this.
amazing. It was
Oh.
lovely. It was smoky. It was.
Oh my goodness, you have to smell this. Have a little smell. It's a bit squashed in the box.
And I have this. So this is supposed to be for bites, but I guess this is going in the sauce now. So
Oh, thank you, darling. My God, you come with just onions and garlic and things cooked and ready in the bag.
Don't people do that now?
No. Anyway, never mind. But
Okay.
this is very sweet.
And do you remember this?
Honey, yes, friend.
Because last year I felt so bad.
No,
because
we can't do that this time.
Why?
We can't do the cheeks, this cheek. No, let's do the other cheek. We'll put the cheek
Ah,
together. Like here.
that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And.
You okay? Oops. Sorry.
I'm fine. It's all good in my kitchen these days. So tell me now. Tell me what you're going to make now for me, darling Petya,
So
with the sauce.
I'm looking at your kitchen for inspiration. So
Look at it. Look at this.
we can't do the
Feel the wood.
Actually, that feels sexy.
Whoa! Buddy ho ho!
It's a nice kitchen. Forget the bites.
Are you sorry?
It's fried garlic,
Ooh,
fried
lovely.
onions. Yes, we
Okay.
just dump it in.
Oops! Dump it into the sauce,
in.
but not outside. I think you had too much apple juice.
Yeah. Apple juice.
I'll have some apple juice. Oh, no. Oh,
Apple juice?
apple juice.
Don't think that's
It's apple juice. Throw in there.
So squeeze some lime also, no?
Okay, squeeze some lime.
No, this is not enough to make a good sauce.
Here,
What
other
else?
piece.
You squeeze.
Yo, Amma!
Hey. Are you planning on making cake? Can I get some of your currants?
This is not my currant, sweetheart.
It's not
This is Brule's friend's
Currants.
room, hotel. No,
Hotel?
what is this
Hotel?
called? Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Friend. So,
Yeah.
they are having the currants. Very
Oh,
nice.
nice. Can I use the currants?
Wait.
So we're going to use currants.
Use the currant. Hurry up. Put. You're not turning it on.
I
Are you a bit
did.
scared? Are you kadavale? Okay.
You heard the hiss?
I heard the hiss, man. I'm going to be like, who is that one? Who is that one?
Nigella.
Nigella. Hello, everybody. Do I look like her? Where's the? Oh, can I get you while you do this? Can I get
Here,
you
this
some
is not.
eggnog?
Your currants are not working.
Anyway,
So come
let me
here.
see. You'd be a bit strong like me. There you go. See?
Oh,
All of it.
yes. Why not?
Put it all in.
Sure.
There you go.
Nice.
Now, here, this is from Kiehl's also. I got this Kiehl's egg the nog. It's eggnog, but I like to call it egg the nog.
Egg the nog.
Because it's nice, no egg the nog.
What if you knock the egg?
that means. Okay, would you like to try some? You keep cooking. I'll give you some of this. How does it taste? I'll stir. I'll stir while he's tasting.
It's just good.
Ah, is it?
No.
Oh,
No, I
it's
think that's about it.
lovely. It's really good. I would take this for Christmas. What's next? What's next?
Just let it cook a little
Ah,
bit.
you have to let it cook a little bit.
Yeah, and we put
Right.
more.
Move up.
She got me back for that.
Move. I want to give you some kukulmas. This is
I
so
found a
delicious.
dash of apple juice.
This is so delicious. Ah, put the apple juice.
Apple juice.
Oh, never mind, man. I can't use this. Right here.
What are you doing?
I have tried the chicken. It's so good. Isn't it good? I'll have it for Christmas. Now with the chicken, why don't you try some cooking?
Now he looks a little timid.
Try some cooking. There. Is it nice together?
No.
Ayo. Now this is also lovely. This is the honey glazed chicken ham that I gave him. That he has made a lovely honey glazed chicken ham salad. This is also from Kiehl's. It's everything. You can get everything there. Even the washing up liquid that I accidentally put. Here, darling. Nice, no? He's saying because
I made
he
it. No.
made it. No.
No.
He's the one who made it.
No, it's
But
hardly
let me
even
tell you
making.
anyway.
Because all I
Apart
did,
from that,
because all I did for this was take this ham, the
Which
honey
ham?
glaze,
Which
the one you sent me.
here you can find it all here. Here, there, pork
This one?
cottage.
No,
I
no.
love that pork cottage. Like,
No, but I don't think that's what you got me.
can you
this
get
is
a
one.
can you get a double room there? Honey glazed ham.
chicken.
Here.
It's
That one.
so good, honestly.
Very good. If you want, this is free acre. This you can just get this. You can get it in any outlet. Not any outlet. You can't get it in different outlets. You can only get it in the
Kiehl's
Kiehl's outlet. Okay, tell
Yeah,
me.
so what I did,
Yeah.
I took the ham you gave me,
Yes.
just chopped it up,
Ah.
and put mayonnaise. That's it.
Here now, what do you do next?
Now we let it simmer.
For how long?
I don't know.
Okay.
Wait. My eye caught
Ah.
the spices.
Which one do you want?
Master food. Okay,
Master Foods, yes, because I get them from Kiehl's.
nice. Okay, yeah, paprika sounds good. And could I get the oregano as well? I think that would be nice.
Or oregano.
Oregano.
Oh, that's lovely. Okay. Give it a nice. Oh my, he's putting a lot. It's all flying everywhere. Look at it.
So now it's a oregano blackcurrant.
Oh, oregano, blackcurrant, whatever.
Oregano.
Oregano. That's enough,
Right,
darling.
enough oregano?
My God. Oh my God. Is this paprika is spicy, no, or not?
Let's check.
My.
No, I think it is sweet paprika.
Sorry. Okay, let's enough now. Let's go and put it in the blender.
Yeah, actually, let's do that.
I have blender here.
Nice.
Here, put this on in case there's an accident.
Okay.
Very nice. Turn around.
I'm taking this back
Turn
with
around,
me.
turn around.
Okay. Oh.
And he's put it. Put it well, no? Well, that's good. You got to shake it a bit, then it gets excited and then it works. Woo! 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 Oh, Sunny, please let me eat the sauce. Your sauce was delicious. Absolutely delicious. Now what did you do? What and
So, okay, so I know it looked like the whole thing was
Yes,
one
looked like a
big
big
crazy.
mess.
But not a
Looked like
mess.
you were losing the plot. You were like one of those Muppets. Going,
Oh, you know my favorite Muppet is Swedish
Chef.
Chef. Yes, I
Yes.
love Swedish Chef.
Hurdy,
So I was drawing
Go
inspiration
for
from
it.
Swedish
Quickly
Chef.
now, quickly, 5 minutes.
Okay.
Kelleveckinen.
So, fruit pairs beautifully with any type of meat, right? So, if it's pineapple and pork, like ham, cranberry and turkey, mint and lamb, right? Mint jelly. So, that's why I thought, so something different, I thought. And luckily you had blackcurrants.
He's used them all. We'll have
Yes.
to tell Brule's friend.
No Christmas cake for.
No Christmas cake for him.
Well, he can go back to the nearest Kiehl's and they have all the baking stuff, right?
Yes, they do.
So-
But I want to say that in this time that we are living in right now, I think it's important that we give thanks.
Yes.
I
think
want
it's
to
very
give you
important.
thanks. Bit of hanky pack them, I got a bit heavy.
Oh my goodness. Don't fall off.
Hold me. This is what I want to give you. It's
box?
It's a box. It's a season's greeting box, Ane darling. It's got a whole bunch of goodies that I will be taking home later.
Chocolate.
Yes. Oh, look at this. And some jumbos.
Yeah.
Oh, and happy cow.
Cheese. You can have
Cheese.
cheese.
And what is this? Oh, what is this?
Oh,
It's a temptation.
Yeah.
Oh, temptation. Shimmy, shimmy. And oh, look at this lovely Chocomo. Chocomo tantalizing chocolate co. What are you doing?
I thought you'd like to eat some. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I thought you'd give me something, but that's okay.
I know.
Oh, he's just he just got very excited. I'm going through this and he's getting this done. Let's go for it.
Ah, not bad.
Oh! Oh, it's gone. It's gone. What are you thankful for?
I'm just kidding. I didn't give you a hammer. And guess what? Don't. Wait. So this
Oh,
is,
you shouldn't have. What a surprise.
Auntie, so this is a very special hamper I got for you.
Lovely, Anand, darling.
You know why it's
Thank
special?
you.
So everything is
Thank you.
imported.
No.
Yeah, it's from huge range. So you can
Ooh.
handpick whatever you want.
Ooh.
Yeah. Plus there's a discount. I know you have discounts.
I
Although
love
the
this
discount
because
was
I
for
got that because that's very easy. You don't have to choose anything. But now you are telling me
Yeah,
about
look.
this. Look at all this lovely.
Yeah.
Don mio.
And I know you like chips because
I
I saw
love
you have put
chips.
chips on the.
And this,
the
yeah, I like
chicken
this
also.
this brand Master Food and all. This
Super.
is tasty. The
It's very
tomato
good.
ketchup. I
It's
must
very
try it.
good. Yeah.
And the pancake
Yes,
mix.
you just put water.
What do you do? Ah, what?
Yeah, your favorite.
Yes. Yeah.
So you replenished your stash.
I have. Thank goodness.
Yeah.
I love my apple juice.
But this is blackcurrants also. See?
Oh,
Perfect.
lovely. Yes. And here, as I said earlier, in case you didn't catch it, thank you. It's just like what my grandmother used to use to put her sewing kit in. Mama, if you're watching up there in heaven or down there, this is for you. Oh, and this lovely here, Baila pasta. Baila
no,
pasta.
Barilla.
Ah, Barilla pasta.
So-
Baila, Barilla. Who cares?
So, while. And you're done.
This one I'm having tonight, Devon custard. I love ambrosia. Devon, let go.
Did you say let go?
Let go. Yes, this is mine.
Okay.
I
of
can't
course.
open this.
Oh. No, but you know, actually,
No.
I am very grateful for all my friends because they've kept me sane and got me through. the
Yes,
pandemic.
man.
Yeah.
For Bertha, for my Notta. I love him, man. Even
Although
though
he-
he's a naughty one. But yes. And for Brule and for Glenda. All of them, man.
I wish they could have joined.
I wish they could have too, but they weren't in the budget, man.
Have a cookie.
Thank you. So while we have a cookie, I'd like to say, Ane, thank you. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful holiday season. Enjoy Christmas, enjoy everything in the way we can these days.
Yes,
Because we must make the most of everything.
And we
no?
all deserve it.
And we deserve it, yes. Ane, let's have a
I wanted to give a
little
hug.
bit
No?
of a. I wanted to give a hug, man, but you know.
Next year, maybe.
And what do you want to say? Why don't you say goodbye also?
Yes, well, it's
Not
been a
farewell,
long
no,
time.
We got 5 minutes.
No, it's been a long time since I've been able to do this for you guys, so it's wonderful to be back and making videos, especially with my favorite auntie. Again, thank you
Thank
to
you.
Keels for getting
Yes,
us
thank
together.
you, Keels.
Yeah.
You've said it about 300 times.
300.
We love you though. Thank
We
you.
really do.
Bye.
Bye.
Mwah. Shall we sing them off with a carol
Which one?
or anything Christmas
But
song?
we don't want to ruin the Christmas, no?
Ah.
Okay, wait, which one?
Which one?
Have yourself a Merry Christmas.
Have yourself a merry, merry little Christmas. I don't know the words.